So guys, we are here in Photoshop and I'm going to show you how I did this logo. So these are just text with hard work piece. So the font used was the caps. So that's the font that I used. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to convert each to shape. So I'll right click here and I'll go convert to shape. I'll right click this one, then go convert to shape. And I'll right click this one and go convert to shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tweak it in a form of perspective form. So the hard, I'll click here, then hold control, then the point over here, I'll drag it small. The work, I'll let it go inside like this. Then paste. I'll let it come inside like this. So I'll select the work and I'll adjust the tail of the K over there. So I'll come here, I'll come and select this tool. I'll come to direct selection tool. You can press A for it. Then I'll click here, then drag. I'll come to the paste and I'll adjust here, the point over here, then make it a little bit. So it depends on you what you are going to do, and I think this is nice. So this is what I did. So after I selected all, let me ensure the spacing. So after I selected all, the hard work and paste, I selected all, then right click and go to merge shapes. So this has been one, and you can even change the color of it to anything that you want. So what I did next was that I hold on control, then select here. You see where I'm selecting, and select here and left click it. You see a selection around the text. Then what you are going to do is that you are going to pick any of the selection tools. So I mostly use this one. I'll click on it, then right click and come to make work path. So you click on this, and sometimes it will give you 0, but I always punch in 1.0. That's what fits what I used to do. So I'll press on OK. The shapes that I did have been transformed into parts, and I can send it into Cenima 4D. But before you send it, you have to come to File, then come to Export. So you export it as what? Illustrator. Then press OK, then press Save. So guys, I think that's all.
Hey guys, if you found this video very helpful, kindly click on the like button. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to get notified, and also share it as well. Still, the name remains Joe Studio, and I'm out.